And finally, the Tab S4 just got revealed today. Stay tuned for details, a lot of them. What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and trigger the notification bell to stay updated on the latest cool tech news. So Samsung surprised us and revealed the Tab S4 1 week before the Note 9. They also released this introduction. Link for the full video will be in the description, but let's break it down here. So it starts with a quick unboxing. In the box you'll have your Tab S4 with its slimmer bezels and larger display than the Tab S3. You'll also get your adaptive fast charging with USB Type-C cable. In addition, you get your quick start guide and most importantly, your free S Pen. The 4 speakers from the Tab S3 are now further refined and they should sound better. Samsung also introduces a new book cover to go with the new Tab S4. It allows you to type like you would on a real PC. Not only that, for the first time it gives you DeX experience on a tablet. All that you need now is the book cover. If you want, you can connect a wireless mouse for more PC-like experience, but you don't need an extra monitor to get your DeX experience on a tablet because, you know, the display is big enough. And if you're not familiar what DeX is, it's a feature that allows you to use supported Samsung devices as you would use a PC, giving you better multitasking and more functionality. By the way, if you pre-order the Tab S4 from Samsung's official website, link in the description, you'll have the option to get the book cover at half its price, $75 instead of $150. The box included S Pen lets you do all you could on a Galaxy Note, like the translate and screen off memo features. It's also suitable for creativity thanks to the different pressure sensitivity levels. The Tab S4 has a huge 7300 mAh battery, compared to the 6000 of the Tab S3. The introduction video ends with a message, "See you at Unpacked on August 9th. This is when we'll see the Note 9 being unveiled. Now let's do a quick comparison between the Tab S4 and the Tab S3. The Tab S4 is thicker, heavier, taller, but narrower than the Tab S3. You get 10.5 inches with the 16:10 aspect ratio, which was the aspect ratio of the first Tab S, versus 9.7 with the 4:3 aspect ratio on the Tab S3, which also was the aspect ratio of the Tab S2. You get with the Tab S4 20% more CPU power and 26% more GPU power. 4 gigs of RAM on both devices. But with the Tab S4 you get 64 gigs of internal memory for the base model compared to 32 with the Tab S3, and with $100 more you can get the 256 GB model. You also get an upgraded front camera and a huge upgrade in battery. And if you go for the LTE model you'll get 300% more speed than you would get with the LTE model of the Tab S3. The sound of the 4 stereo speakers tuned by AKG should improve now that they have the Dolby Atmos technology. And of course with the Tab S4 you have the ability to purchase the book cover keyboard, which allows you to use your Tab S4 as you would use a PC. Pricing in the US will be as following. For the Wi-Fi only models, the 64GB model will be at $650. And if you add another $100, you get the 256GB model. But both models will be expandable with SD cards up to 400GB. And if you just want an ordinary tablet with the same battery and screen size, but with less power, less camera, less RAM and storage, less functionality, no S Pen and no Super AMOLED display, Samsung also unveiled the Tab A 10.5. We don't have the pricing of this one yet, but it could be at half the price of the Tab S4 considering the amount of features you lose. I will leave the price in the comment section below once it shows. And you, feel free to write anything you want in the comment section and I will gladly respond. So that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching if you've made it till here, and I'll see you next time.